Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. So on today's episode we're going to be installing the Mishimoto gear knob to my beautiful Drift 350Z. Let's roll that intro.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown.
Awesome, now that the intro is out of the way, let me show you the product that we will be working with today. So as I've mentioned in a previous episode before, we do have Mishimoto on as a sponsor, so check out the Mishimoto gear knob. Awesome, I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip, unboxing and some product showcase type stuff. So here it is right here. I have the box off it. These are the little adapter thread fittings that you get, and this is the actual gear knob itself. It's pretty cool, not too bad, and it has a nice weight to it. You can see Lucas's car's in here. We're also filming another video at this time. So what we'll do is I'm gonna rock outside, jump in my Z, and let's get this thing fitted. It should be a bit of a shorter episode, so yeah, let's go and get on with the video. Another beautiful rainy day in Ireland, so I'm gonna do this from the passenger seat. Ugh. It is dark as fuck in here. Awesome, so for you guys who haven't seen the inside of the car for a while, so I have a D&D quick release here, absolutely epic product. I have my D&D wheel up on top. I have two of my Diffie gauges, and we should do a bit of a showcase video soon, just showing you around. And this is the gear knob I have. God knows what brand it is. It just definitely isn't the standard one. But yeah, that's what we're swapping out today. So let me see if I can get somewhere to put this light, so we can have light in here. Awesome, right, so first step in doing this process is to screw your knob until it falls off. Classic Mighty Car Mods joke right there, but still stands. So yeah, you just want to unscrew it the whole way until it pops off, as so. Yeah, that is the one we took off. Honestly, not the worst, but truthfully, it's not the best. So like, even when you're going through the gears, it's quite small and short, and as you know, so I'll just fuck that there on the chair. And I'm sure I've probably never showed it before, but that's my seat that I have in the car. Right, so which adapter should fit this? I'm gonna pop this here. So let's just crack open this little pouch and see which one fits best. I apologize for the lighting. Like I said, Lucas is working on the Z inside. That's definitely not the right one. He's working on the Z at the moment inside, fitting the angle kit, which is a video that is either came out or is coming out, depending on how fast we get on with the job. Oh, sorry about that. So that is why we are outside and it's a little bit dark and I have no lighting. Sweet, so that looks like it's the one. Let me just check the last one just in case. Okay, that one's definitely not fitting. So it is this one here. Don't know how to explain the look of it, because they all look the fucking same. Alright, so let's get this thing down and onto it, which is very high up if you're having a look at this. Just see if I can twist it. Fairly high up the threads, like there's so many threads down here. It's all the way up there. We'll see how we get on. Anyways, that's looking fine so far. So far so good. And let's screw that back on. Let me see if we can get it down by twisting this now. And there we have it. It already looks so much better. Put some lighting on it. Pretty cool if you ask me. Awesome, and there we have it. The Mishimoto shift knob is now installed. I think it goes really well with the GKTech handbrake that I also have installed. I was looking for something, I was talking to Lucas about this, and Lucas is actually the person who got this for me. Shout out to you, Lukey. Absolutely sound as a pound, bud. And I was saying how I didn't want to accidentally grab the wrong thing, so just to kind of have something as a different kind of color indicator without having to turn my head and see it would be ideal. So that's what I have done here. So that's why it's the black and the blue, to kind of contrast one another so I don't grab the wrong thing. Awesome. So the install went really well. Very easy mod to do to your own car, even if it's drift car, race car, even if it's your road car. I highly recommend it. Very affordable and very awesome product. When I'm rolling through the gears here, I was feeling it out. So let me see if I can just put the phone down so I can still give you guys some light. It feels really nice going through the gears, so definitely approve of that. And then the reverse lockout, which side it is on, cannot remember for the life of me. It is back into the right. Feels great, much better. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very simple mod, but very effective, and changes the whole look of your interior. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider go down and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell as well so you don't miss any of our content. We have very exciting stuff coming out in the future. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.